So when I look for birds, I try to notice movement around me and sounds. So let's see if we can hear any right now. So I just saw some movement up there. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm just gonna be quiet and wait. So back there you hear a really loud kind of honking call, and that is a scrub jay. So that is kind of similar to one of my favorite species from the East Coast, which is the blue jay. So I just saw one scrub jay up there. I know what it is because I saw the underside of it. It was white and the back was blue. And it's a pretty large bird compared to the other birds in the area. So based on that and all the practice I've had, I can identify that as the bird that was called. There are lots of field guides, which are books about birds, and each one is about a different area. So this one is so big because it covers the entire northern part of South America, which is where I work. So here you can see all these birds that live in other countries, and they can be super beautiful, like these mannequins.
Wow.
Here's some jays. So we also have jays here, but these just look slightly different. And then let's see. These birds are called tanagers, and they're some of the most colorful birds you'll see.